Hello there, everyone, and first of all, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. We hope you had a good Christmas, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the new stuff that has arrived in the web shop. The first thing I want to show you is these. These are not in particularly new. These are just back in stock after a long time where they have been sold out. These are the coastlines, the fly lines that we used mainly for the Danish coastal fishing, but these are general purpose lines that can be used for a lot. Basically, it's the scientific Anglers volantis, and they are basically a shooting head with an integrated shooting line. So these cast just absolutely phenomenal. I have these in both floating and intermediate for both my 6-weight and my 5-weight. So I use these a lot. These are really awesome lines, and we're really stoked to have them back in stock again after they've been out of stock for about a month or so. So we've bought enough. We have plenty in stock now. The next thing is a new thing, and it's the new color of Speedster reel from Waterworks Lamson. This reel here is designed to be a perfect match and a perfect fit for the Scotch-centric rod. And as you can see, I've already bought one for myself and added the some red backing here for my centric 10 feet 5. I'm going to use for stream fishing for sea trout. But really an awesome color combination. It has only arrived in the -5 plus size, but the -7 plus and the -3 plus will arrive shortly. So check these out. Really a cool design on a really nice fly reel. Also, Sims has launched some new colors of their very well-renowned Dry Creek bags. So they were available in 3 different colors: a tan, a cloudy camo, and a blue one. But now it's available also in this new camo color, which I think is really cool for the Danish fishing. I have a tan one, and the color is okay, but if I have had the option before, I would have bought me one of these. So it's the complete product line that is available in this color. So really nice, and of course all the details are good as always on the Sims gear. And the final thing I want to show you is just last year we became a Loomis retailer, and we're really proud about that and happy about that. And although this is off season, we've been trying to stock up, so we have almost all the models of the Loomis rods in stock now. And this just arrived yesterday. This is the 11 feet 7-weight, and it just feels completely like the bomb. I imagine using this for fishing maybe some of the bigger rivers in Denmark, or some summer fishing in Norway with hitch or a cola, for instance. This rod just feels like it has so much potential, and sometimes when I haven't cast this yet, but when you just take this rod and just it just feels so powerful. So the Loomis rods are in stock, almost all of them, and of course we continually get all of them. So eventually, early next year, we will have them all both the NRX Plus, the NRX Plus saltwater, and the Esquith. A final thing in this video is tonight I'm gonna do a live stream fly tying session. It's from 20 o'clock Danish time, and we're gonna tie a perch pattern that can be used for trout. It's gonna be basically a big bait fish pattern, and then we're gonna tie a fly for saltwater for sea trouts as well. So it's at the Nordic Anglers YouTube channel. It's gonna be at 8 tonight at 20. I hope to see you there. I'm really happy to have started up these live fly tying sessions again. They are so much fun, and a lot of people swing by. So hope to see you there. Bring a beer.